Hello student, in this section we learning about layout tab. In page layout tab we can format different type option like themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, arrange. Okay, so first we start from themes. Themes, it is a design of your entire document and you can change design from select any of themes like that. You can see as you select any themes, then change your sentence. Okay, like that you select this theme. Color, we can select any color from it. First of all we select it, and now we can change any color. Font, this is the style of font you can select from this. Effects, it apply a different effects on it. Okay, margin, first important tool is this is page setup. Page setup, you can uh, set your page as your requirement. First is a margin, you can margin your page, or you can set your page from is left or right, top or bottom. So you can select your uh, margin or your setup page. So you can, and you can also customize your margin page. And this is your margin option. You can preview see from here, and you can select your margin. Okay, now it's change. Orientation means ki how page layout is display, like portrait or landscape. If you select portrait, then is in vertical form. If you select landscape, then it display in wide screen. Okay, size, this is the select your page size like A4, letter, or legal. Okay, and you can again change your page of orientation from this portrait. This column, this option used to divide your page in columns, like one, this is one column, like 2 3 4, left or right. Okay, like 2. So this is second column, and you can type. So you are typing in second column. Okay, if you select again one, so this is in one column. Okay, if you select two, in is two columns, and three is three columns. One, two, three. Break, it is break the page in splitting in two parts. Okay, again we can split our page other parts. There is a different page break options: section break, continuous, even page, odd page, column, text wrapping, Okay, line number, it display the line number. Now it is none. This means there is no line number, but we can select any option to give numbering online from this. Okay, hyphenation is used. This it provide the space between the two or three words. If you select and give hyphenation, so okay, watermark, it display a picture or text in faded manner in your current document. You can select from here, or you can custom your watermark from here. And no watermark means there is a no watermark available. And if you select picture watermarks, then you select any picture from your system, and it uh, apply to as a watermark it display. Okay, if you remove watermark, it removes. Or you want to uh, apply text watermark, then you can type here, or you can select size, color, horizontal, diagonal as you want. Color, okay, apply, okay. So like that, this is apply on your page. Page color, you can change your page color from here like that, as you want to. These are a different option for coloring your page. No color, which is there is no color is applied. In more color, you can select more color from here, okay, and click ok. And fill effects, so you can select from this for corner, okay. So is some effects is available, okay. And again we change, okay, like that. Page border, you can apply a border at your page from here. You can select from here border like that, styles, color, width, and this is preview to display how uh, our page look after applying border. Shading page, from here we give in arts, and from this we select any page border like, okay, this is applied like that. After, okay, this is the page border option. Indentation, and this is a, margin to provide from uh, which we mm, indentation, it is decide the margin of your paragraph, and we can select from here, or we can also select from here. So this is used to uh, typing our text area from left to right. You can select like that, then you can type only uh, this to this, between this range you can type. Out of this you cannot type your text, it automatically shift in next line. Spacing, this is provide the spacing between the two line of paragraph, like that. You can increase or decrease before or after spacing. Okay, so this is spacing option. This is, and align, it is used for align your text left, right, center, top, extra. Reference option, in this option we can see many formatting tools which is applied according to your requirement. Okay, mail and review, it is used for grammatical portion. It contains the proofing, language, comments, tracking, changes, compare or protect. And this is used if you are want to proofing your words, characters in paragraph, which is you type, and this is check your English grammatical portion. View, in this we can view our document, zoom our document, and arrange our windows extra, like that. First, print layout, this is your print layout view, and it is a normal view. You can see full screen reading, it is uh, provide a full screen to display your reading. Web layout, it look like a page as you see on uh, internet. Outline, look like this outline. And draft, same as the outline, and you can type here and work your system. Okay. In view, this is a ruler. If you uncheck this, then a ruler is disappear. Ruler is a scale which provide the margin of your page. Grid line, it display grid line. Like navigation pen, left side it provide a navigation pen. It is a display the your work. Okay. Zoom option is used to enlarge or small your picture. If you zoom option select, and there is a many zoom percentage is 200. So look, this is your preview. So now this is the 200% zoom view. If you click on 100%, this will look a simple way. Say one page, two page width, you can from select here like that. Two page, you see two pages at a time. One page, you see only one page at a time. Page width is width is increase as your page. So we always work on 100% view. New window. From this we can open a new window. Okay, arrange all. We can arrange all windows at a time like that, and you can work both windows at a time. Split. It is split uh, our window, work window. Okay, or view side by side like that. You can view side by side. Switch window. Switch window. We can jump one document to another document. Okay, like that. So this is your MS Word uh, menu tab page layout and review, and this is a reference. Okay, thanks, have a nice day.